Hey friends, this is a combo video. So this is my new remarkable December 2020 Not Just for Boys Kit Club kit. And I am going to be doing 12 days of Christmas, 12 days of Christmas scrap lifts with Scrap Squad. And is there anything else to tell you? Anything fascinating? Don't know. Anywho, so I started looking through my papers. And I really wanted to use this one, like really wanted to use it. I love that it's striped, but not perfectly striped, if you know what I mean. Now it's a lovely color match to this one. So then we picked this Bow Bunny Double Dot. Oh, this is Vicki Boutin Storyteller in sequins. And you had me at text. You did. You had me at text. I love text prints. I think every collection should have black, it should have white, and text prints. Oh, and wood grain. Yeah, that's all. And colorful bits. Okay, never mind. You should have this collection and this collection. So the photo I'm going to use is this one right here. It's the boys. My daughter Ryan was walking through the house and they were just kind of sitting by the back door. You see a tinge of our Christmas tree here. And the color of my curtains in that room happen to be a dark red. So looky there. Now, the Scrap Squad scrap lift I'm going to work from at the same time is this one. So this has a much different vibe than what I'm going to be doing, right? We have a nice bright white background with snowflakes. I think I'm going to bring tickets in a lot for mine, not snowflakes. But I'm going with a general design with these bands is what I'm looking at. So we have a title up here. The title kind of continues down here, but I believe I'm going to do Best Brothers for my title, unless I come up with something holiday-ish, which I'm sure you guys are all yelling holiday sounding titles. I have this really great set of alphas. They're called Decoupage by Thickers, and they look kind of ledgery, but the green is picking up this green again. And I think it is so awesome that you can take different kits and different collections and you can use them for holidays. Or I've used Halloween papers for, New Year's. Like, just do you. As long as it doesn't have a ghosty, you're good. So, unless it's the ghost of New Year's past. I'm digressing. The point is, I'm using my Not Just for Boys Kit Club for the 12 days of Christmas with Kathy Feigel's group, as well as the 12 days of Christmas scrap lifts. So what I'm going to do is trim off some of my border strips. I do know that this is my background, so the background will be Vicki Boutin Storyteller and Memoir. Then I want to make sure to bring in some more strips with this. I don't know. I know I can map my photo with this for sure. I don't know. I'm just going to go for it. Now, yeah, I think I'll map my photo with this. I love the polka dots. It's really cute. The back side is like, it's variegated, but it's, reads as a solid. But I'm going to go with the polka dots for some variation. And I have to just decide which of the strips I'm going to use from here, because that will let me know which parts of the handy dandy Vicki Boutin ephemera to bring in. So I'm going to get my title really chosen, get my bits trimmed here, and I'll be back in a jiff when I have a better idea what I'm doing. All right, so quick update time. I took that gorgeous Vicki Boutin piece of paper and I tore it so that I could have the reddish colors, the gorgeous green color with just a tiny bit of the turquoise because I like it. Now I'm starting to create this little cluster here. And this cluster, it looks like there's basically two clusters, is a nice mess of embellishments, and I can do that. I have, and I found this too, and it reads, "A picture's worth 1,000 words," which I thought really picked this up. So, see how there's this really long piece here? I was thinking that we could do something with that down there. And then probably, do I do Best Brothers here or Best and Brothers here? Kind of like they did here. I think I should do it kind of like they did here. So I'm going to get these pieces down. And you know how there's all these snowflakes in the background? I thought it might be fun to sprinkle sequins around my whole background with this sequins mix I have. It's gorgeous. It comes with it. And I also did pull out these two pieces of acrylic and wood veneer things. I don't know what I'm going to use, but I really like these black stars that are in this. And these, I picked these up from the Kit Club in the a la carte section. Okay, let me get these pieces down and I'll come in and do a check-in with you before you know it. So I popped in all but the little gold stars and the yellow sequins on my background. I wanted the background to be, I mean, it's already so bold, but with just a little something something, which was taking care in my world of these little snowflake die cuts that are on this piece. I have this here, and I also added 2 of these little tassels. Look at how cute they are that came in our set. And I think I'm going to use some of these black acrylic stars as well. Now, I know they're supposed to be going with this New Year's set, but we all know I am the boss of me, and I can use these if I wanna. So there. All right, so I want like maybe one there. I mean, these are absolutely gorgeous. One there, maybe one right there, so I don't have to use any string bits. All right, so I like that. And I think I'm gonna use, I don't wanna lose these, so I'm trying to be kind of precious with it. I'm gonna use this, what are these? These are glue dots. Glue dots to splat them down, which it's gonna take me a minute to get them down, but then I have to decide if I need anything else. I am pretty happy with it, so I don't know. This is gonna be tricky to get these to cooperate. There we go. I have one on that side, one on that side. Guys, I am so into acrylic embellishments right now. You have no idea. Oh, by the way, my puppy is behind us. I'll give you guys a puppy shot, chewing on a toy right now. So hold on. I know a lot of you guys, one of my subbies asked me if I could just do a screen on screen of my dogs while I scrapbook, which I thought was hilarious. Okay, sorry if you get motion sick. Sorry. There's Blue. Blue, what are you doing, buddy? Blue, are you on the bed? Yeah? Oh, there's my new comforter from Kohl's. Yes, I know, it's fascinating. Okay, Blue is being camera shy, but anywho, he's getting big. He's ever so chunky and adorable. All right, so that is where I'm going with this layout. I think I'll just get those stars down. And yeah, like I'm literally almost done with this. Maybe because the supplies are so awesome. I don't know, but I do like the simplicity of the scrap lift that I did. I was able to bring some things around this cluster. I feel like I need like a tiny word or something around that cluster. So maybe I'll see in my Kit Club stuff if I have a little stash like that. I'll pop it on and I'll show you the finished product in 1 minute. All right, friends, I was able to finish it up. I went into my little stash and I found these Heidi Swapp stickers that, see, there's like off-white with black and then black with true white is what it looks like. So got these in a previous kit and use them I will. So that is what I have to show you. So here's a little bit more of a close-up. I love this. This was a vellum die cut that's super gorgeous. And there was a sentiment on the bottom that I did not need. So I just went ahead and used the part that I'm choosing to think looks a little bit like a halo. And that is it. You can see all my fun little sequins. And yeah, it's black on black, but I like it because I have texture and good stuff is happening there. And I'll leave all the links down below for not just for Boys Kit Club and everybody who is playing along in these collabs. All right, bye friends.